Hello bikers and babes, it's Rick Gonzalez with another how-to video. Today we're going to work on a 2000 Ford Ranger. Alright, you see my thermostat gauge? Right here the vehicle's off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start it. And it just goes even colder.
As you can see, my temperature gauge is not working. I'm going to replace the coolant temperature sending unit to my gauge here.
I'm not a mechanic, and nor do I claim to be. I do these mechanic things out of necessity. But if I can find a little shortcut, or at least give you an idea of what needs to be done, I'm there for you. I got this at AutoZone, $18.99. See what it looks like compared to the old one. Here's the old one. Yeah, looks like the same thing. All right, I'm gonna put it back in. Okay, to remove the intake manifold, I think it's an 8mm or a 5/16. 5/16 fit right in there. The 5/16 also works here for this cover. Hold on, maybe it doesn't. Yeah, 5/16. 5/16 for here. This one here, and that there. Here, here, here. It's an 8mm or a 5/16. There it is. The coolant temperature sensor for the gauge. So we're gonna replace that guy right there. So now we're gonna take off this guy right here. You gotta push it in and wiggle it out. It wasn't so hard. 3/4 inch deep well socket. It fits right over that. Okay, I got it in there finger tight. Get my ratchet. It was just a little tighter than hand tight. Right there. I think that's good enough. Okay, we're gonna put a little plug back on. There we go. Wires look okay. So now we're just gonna replace the manifold and we'll try it out. Okay, the moment of truth. Here we go. It didn't work. Did I replace the wrong one?
So apparently I replaced the wrong sensor. I got this truck used, so it already had the coolant temperature sensor in the wrong hole.
Temperature sending sensor for the gauge. We'll pop this guy off by putting pressure here.
I had a bout with the guys at AutoZone. Apparently they didn't know the difference either.
So it looks like they put the wrong sensor in there. This is a coolant temperature sensor. And the one that goes in there is the gauge sending sensor. Two different things. This one has like an arrow tip. The other one has more like a plunger.
This one costs $13.99.
So see how it works out. Now you're talking. Now I got a temperature gauge that works. Awesome. The check engine light is on because I accidentally forgot to plug in the mass flow sensor connector when I started it yesterday. That's why it should clear up. But there you go. Finally.
If you like my videos, please subscribe, click the notification bell. Be safe out there, get out and ride, and God bless you.